welcome to
Dad
and Matt. Today we're doing a mail call. This is Dad and Matt on YouTube.
Stay tuned. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go.
Let's go.
What we got here?
What we got? Wow, I didn't expect that to be in there. A t-shirt. I wonder who this is from. Didn't come with a letter.
What's it saying?
Stay rude, stay rebel.
Do you know who that is?
Who?
Stevie TV.
Stevie.
TV. Do you want to wear it?
Stevie.
Do you want to put it on?
Yes.
Go on then. Off.
Right there, guys.
Perfect.
Right, guys, I'm back.
Look at that.
Back.
So cool.
Goes with my outfit as well. I'm going to wear this for the rest of this.
Rest of today.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Right there. Thank you, Stevie TV, for this right here t-shirt. Right here. Right now.
They are available. The link's on his channel if you want to buy one. Shall we have a look at the next package?
Yes.
I'll put a link down in the description.
Ooh, I can feel something funny there. It's already open. Dad.
Sorry, because it was addressed to me, so I just had to see what it was, you said. Ah, look.
It's one for you. You put it on.
It's not for me, that's Mummy's.
Mummy has one.
Mummy's got one.
Mummy's. Oh wow, she'll be pleased with that.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
And what's next?
And yours.
How did you guess?
Because me, Mum, you.
Shall I put it on?
Yeah.
Alright.
Put it on. Time lapse. Right, Dad is back in the house.
There we go.
Matching.
Matchy.
Yeah. Mum will be so pleased.
Oh, yeah.
Because when we wear it, she'll put it on straight away.
We can get a group photo, family photo.
Uh-huh.
Stay rude. 6.
So rude, so rebel.
What's next, Matt?
What is next
Hmm.
for you? Some of it might be for me, but. Ooh. I love that sticker.
Yeah.
I love that sticker.
It's a sticker from Sick Puppy 4x4
That
Adventures.
actually looks so cute. It actually looks so cute, but rebel.
That was a patron reward from Patreon because I support Sick Puppy 4x4 Adventures, which now includes our man Skid Pick.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Much appreciated.
Thank you. I don't know the other guys, so I'll just thank you, Skid, and the other guys as
Sick
well.
Puppy
Skid.
and Sick Puppy
Skid.
and Sick Puppy
Skid.
and Sick Puppy
Skid.
and Sick Puppy. We've got one last
Big.
package. This one was delayed slightly because we had to pay customs for it to make its way in. Do you want to?
Oh yeah. I'll do letter first.
All right.
Because this is gonna be. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
Hang on. Amazon's kicking in.
Yeah.
Okay. What's in the letter, bub?
Dad and Matt. Enjoy it. I enjoy your channel. Sorry I didn't get this to you in a while. You were locked.
Sorry, I didn't get this to you while you were locked in.
Here are one of a couple shirts and poker chips. A few other items and a little something special for Matt. A
Kickstand puck.
What's that? What's a kickstand puck?
You'll see. For Mama.
For Mama. Please be careful with the moustache seeds. Might cause unwanted hair growth.
In women and children.
Love on your family.
Love all your family. Check on your buddies. Keep it rubber side down. Mr. Moustache. What was that? Have a look then. What we got?
I'll get these out first.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
What are those then, Mad?
This one's a sticker. These are stickers.
Mhm.
And these are all stickers. Very big stickers.
So we've got a few different variants. We've got. Hang on. Slow down.
Sorry. So excited.
I know you are. Hold that up to that camera over there. We've got these ones. You do that camera, I'll do this one.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. We've got the one that you put on and then you peel off the front.
Oh
Got
yeah.
one of those. Very nice. What's that? That's the puck stand. Look, see? You put that under your kickstand. So that's for Mum myself. Very cool. What's it? Motorcycle Ohio. Ride smart, right gear. Yes.
What's this?
Oh.
What is it?
Oh, it's another one.
Another book stand.
I believe so. That's pretty cool. Memorial Day 2017.
I'm gonna save. Wait, what's this? What is that? Oh.
Puzzle. Jigsaw puzzle, I believe.
Oh.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh, more stuff.
Another puzzle.
More stickers. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, are they?
Hatchimals
Hatchimals.
puzzle. Puzzle.
Very cool. Show the camera. Hatchimal puzzle. What else is in here? Whoa.
No, there's two. This
Hang
one's
on, there's little moustache seeds dropping everywhere.
what?
Look.
Moustache seeds.
Moustache seeds.
So, what's it do? Michael's unwanted hair. Wait, it didn't. Oh, it landed on the t-shirt.
Oh.
That's yours, and this is mine.
It's even got names on. Dad. And Matt. Heck yeah.
Oh yeah, but can we keep these ones?
Do you want to get changed real quick? We are back.
Does this suit my outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else we got in here, Matt?
We've got pocket chips
What?
attached with seeds.
Moustache seeds everywhere. Black Sheep, Harley Davidson, Huntingdon, WV. Is he still there? No,
I
it's gone.
know, it's gone. I can put another one.
I'm going to end up growing moustaches in the garage. What's this one, Matt? A.D. Farrow, Columbus, Ohio. Established 1912. America's oldest Harley dealer.
Hello, I am Dad.
America's oldest Harley dealer. That's pretty cool.
Whoa.
More stickers. And moustache seeds.
I am you from the past. Dad, I'm you from the past.
Me from the past when I had a curly moustache. You're funny.
Yeah.
You're funny. What do we say to Mr. Moustache?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Moustache. Are you actually a moustache?
Oh, cool. Look, there's the poker chips. Look, Black Sheep and A.D. Farrow.
black sheep. Oh.
We're going to switch that camera there. Sit down.
Okay. Hello again.
So we're back with this one. So, what do we have to say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Moustache.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Stevie TV. Thank you, Sick Puppy.
Oh, yeah.
We appreciate it.
Uh-huh.
See you all soon. Take care. Descriptions below.
Uh-huh.
Ta-ra a bit.
Ta-ra a bit. Bye.